In this video, I'm going to be recreating some chic spring outfits from Pinterest. Now this video is part of a fun little series. Every season, I take 3 of my favorite Pinterest outfits and I show you how I recreate them with pieces in my wardrobe. So today it's going to be all about spring Pinterest outfits. And these outfits here are the 3 Pinterest outfits that I'm going to be recreating. I feel like these outfits are chic and they're super easy to recreate. So the first spring Pinterest outfit that I'm going to be recreating this one here. I honestly feel like a blazer and jeans combo are unmatched. I feel like those 2 pieces together create a chic outfit, and honestly it's just 2 pieces that I feel like every woman should have in their wardrobe, so it's super easy to recreate. Now first off, I'm going to be starting here with a pair of distressed denim jeans, just like she's wearing in the image. I love these jeans here because they're super comfy and I love distressed denim. I definitely feel like they add a nice little touch to any outfit, and I feel like they're perfect for spring and even summer. Now for the blazer, I'm gonna be adding a pink cropped blazer just like the one she's wearing. Now she seems to be wearing it with nothing underneath, just the blazer as the top. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a white tank top underneath. I personally feel more comfortable with something underneath it. I can close the blazer and wear it as is, but I definitely feel like adding a simple tank top underneath gives you the option of kind of opening it up if you wanted to. And also if you close it, for me personally, I feel like wearing a tank top underneath, I feel more safer with the blazer as the top. I love the color of this blazer. I feel like it's bright and bold. And if you want to recreate this outfit, but you don't have a pink blazer, you can definitely opt for any bright blazer. With this video series here, I want to show you that you can get inspiration from anywhere. And even with my own outfits, if you get inspired, you don't have to have the exact same piece. You can definitely opt for something similar. I feel like the point of this outfit is to kind of wear something bright and bold on the top with a pair of simple jeans. I feel like the blazer here is kind of like the focal point of the outfit, so I feel like any bright bold blazer would do the trick. Now for these shoes, she seems to be wearing a pair of see-through type of shoes. I'm going to be opting here for my see-through sandals. I love these heeled sandals here because not only is transparent heels a big trend for the season, but I feel like a pair of shoes like this can go a long way for spring and summer because they honestly match absolutely everything. They're technically a neutral for any spring or summer outfit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close the blazer here just so you guys can see the similar outfit. I absolutely love this look here from Pinterest. Definitely one I wanted to recreate because again, I feel like a blazer and a pair of jeans is 2 pieces that I feel like every woman should have in their wardrobe, and this outfit here, I feel like it's super easy to recreate. Now for the bag, I'm opting here for a small pink bag just like she has in her look, and again, if you're styling a different color of blazer, I would opt for the same color of the blazer for your bag. And she's also wearing a pair of sunglasses. Definitely don't forget your sunglasses when you want to elevate your look. I feel like sunglasses are a great accessory that kind of people forget about. Here you can see the final recreated Pinterest look, and I feel like this is a great chic outfit idea. Now the next spring outfit from Pinterest that I'm recreating is this one here. I'm a sucker for a dress and a sneaker outfit. I feel like those 2 pieces are just super comfy and they definitely work well together. Here she's styling a printed dress with a pair of simple white sneakers, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same. The dress that I'm styling here, this one is kind of like a Dalmatian type of print. From afar it does look like it's a leopard type of print, but this one is more of a Dalmatian type of print. And if this is an outfit that you want to recreate, I feel like any printed dress in your wardrobe, you can definitely opt for that dress and pair it with a pair of sneakers. Again, we're just gathering inspiration from these images that you love, and you can just recreate them with pieces already in your wardrobe. Now the dress is in a maxi flowy length. I feel like any type of dress pairs well with sneakers, but I personally love a good maxi length flowy dress paired with sneakers. Now she she did add a belt to the dress, and that's exactly what I would have done with a dress like this, just to kind of create a waistline and just kind of make the look put together. So here I'm opting for a black belt that has some silver details to it. Now for these sneakers here, I'm opting for my simple classic white sneakers. They do have a little bit of color on the back, but I feel like with this look here, the inspiration we're going for is for a pair of classic kind of simple sneakers. So I wouldn't opt for a pair of sneakers that are more trendy or bright colors or something that is a bit more with a chunkier type of bottom. I would definitely opt for any type of classic simple white sneakers here to go with this flowy printed dress. Now for the layering piece, she does have a black moto jacket, and I do have a black moto jacket in my wardrobe, but I wanted to show you guys something different. Here I'm opting for a black cropped blazer jacket. I feel like with the moto jacket, it does the job as well. I feel like it looks great with a moto jacket, or you can opt for any type of other black outerwear piece that you have. Here I'm opting for my cropped black blazer jacket. I feel like it's just a nice added layer for a spring look. And if you don't have a black moto jacket and you want to recreate this look, you can also add a denim jacket as well. I feel like any type of simple layering piece over this printed dress would work perfectly. Now in the Pinterest image, she didn't have any type of purse. And to complete this look here, I'm just going to be adding a small black bag that has a little bit of gold details to it. And she's also wearing a pair of sunglasses. Again, a pair of sunglasses is a great added accessory to finish off any look.
But I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your.
Now the next spring Pinterest outfit that I'm recreating for you, here I'm going to be recreating this classic look. I feel like it doesn't get any more classic than a white button down top with a pair of black jeans. I definitely feel like this look here is super easy to recreate. I definitely chose easy outfits that I feel like these are pieces you should definitely have in your wardrobe. So if you want to recreate these pieces, there definitely should be in your wardrobe and they would be easy to recreate. Here I'm going to be styling my white button down blouse with my black jeans. Now my jeans have a little bit of distress to them. Again, I love distress jeans, especially for the spring or even summer. I definitely feel like it just elevates the look. Now for these shoes, I'm opting here for a pair of flat white mules. She's wearing a pair of similar shoes just like this. I feel like any flat white shoes that you have would definitely complete this outfit. I feel like this outfit is super chic. It's very comfy with these flat mules. Definitely a great casual, comfy outfit for the spring. Now to accessorize, it's a little hard to tell in the image if she is wearing accessories. With an outfit like this, I personally love to accessorize because I feel like the look is super classic, very simple, and you kind of want to elevate it a little bit. So I went ahead and added a couple of gold bangles and my gold hoop earrings. I feel like these simple little touches definitely elevated this look. I did also add a black belt with a gold buckle. I'm not sure if she's wearing one in the image, but I personally love this belt here. I feel like this is another little added accessory to kind of chic up this look. I also went ahead and did a little half tuck, just like in the image, a little half tuck with your button down blouse. I feel like it just definitely elevates the look, give it a nice little chic touch. So if you have a white button down blouse and you want to try it a little different, give it a little chic touch, or maybe elevate your outfit, I would definitely do the half tuck just like I did here. Now lastly, to finish off this look, I'm just adding here a large black tote, just like she's wearing in the Pinterest image here. If you don't want to opt for a super large tote, you can also opt for a smaller black one as well. And just like the other Pinterest images, she is also wearing a pair of sunglasses that I feel like just add the perfect touch to this look.
I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your heart, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you.
Are you looking for some trendy shoes outfits, in my latest video here on my Tuesday Shoes Day, I was sharing some trendy shoes you can wear for your spring outfits.